Bianca. I am here to help you learn how to balance your blood sugar, have a happy period as a result. And so I am doing something that is so exciting, and that is putting in a continuous glucose monitor. So this is something that is generally reserved for people with diabetes or something like that, but it's information we all could use, especially considering, having blood sugar spikes and dips can contribute to like bad periods, infertility, bad sleep, inflammation, all kinds of things. Like high blood sugar and low blood sugar is no bueno. And so I want to learn what my lifestyle is like for my blood sugar. So I wanted to get a continuous glucose monitor to be able to see how I live my life and where the spikes are and what modifications I can make in order to make sure that I'm keeping my blood sugar in a healthy range and therefore avoiding all of the perils of blood sugar, from the small things, from like hunger cravings, to the big things like, inflammation and the like. And so I'm going to show you how to put on a continuous glucose monitor. So I got my continuous glucose monitor in the mail. I'm so excited. So I got the Abbott Freestyle Libre, and the reason I got it is because it had the best reviews of all of the ones that I looked at. And so I'm going to show you how to put it on. So the instructions are pretty detailed, and there's also an app that goes with it that is where you get all the information. And so, okay, I'm going to make sure that I do this right. Okay. So then we have to wipe. We have to swab the spot, and it's always the back of the arm. Okay, so then this is the applicator. No, wait. This is the applicator, and this is the sensor. And so take this off, and then take this off. Right? So you have to click it with a decent amount of force, and then that's what it looks like inside. And I think this is just a discard. And then line it up. So there's this little thing here, and then there's where you would line it up. So I'm going to do that. So then you press it down and then up. Oh, and then the thing is in there. And the thing is in there, and I should see it. You should see the little pin. I'm actually a little bit nervous to do the pin, but we'll see. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I'm scared because I hate needles. Okay, and that actually didn't hurt at all. It's so crazy that the needle looks so painful. Okay, and it's on. That's it. Okay, so that's it. And so this you wear for, I think it's up to 3 weeks you can wear this thing for, which I'm going to. And it also comes with an app that I have to scan whenever I want to take a reading. So stay tuned. I'm going to be sharing this whole glucose monitoring journey, but I'm so excited because this is what I call health intel.